Well, I would like to say I got joy down in my heart because indeed tonight I am so joyful to be in this venue, Mayor. Thank you to the power couple, our beloved Mayor of Dulungan, and the wife, the beautiful wife. Thank you so much. To everyone, I hope you are happy. We are not only learning in this travel, we also are enjoying, and we are not having this time without the invitation of our very good mayor from Lunungan, no, in our province. It's raining artista tonight, and I would like to believe that this is the first time that we are all seeing beautiful people, talented people, set up that we experience this kind of So thank you really, Mayor, on behalf of our superintendent, our feeling of gratitude extended to the Mamay family. Everyone, enjoy the night. Thank you so much.
Thank you so